The new engine Ivo Hugh was settling into his life on the Skarloey Railway. He'd mostly take on goods when the other engines need help. For all Ivo's intentions, he was a bit of a dope. One afternoon, Skarloey and Ivo Hugh were assigned to shunt at the junction yards. Ivo, you must be careful. You can't thrash around. I'm sorry, Skarloey. I'm trying to shunt better.
Try harder.
I know you're trying. Practice makes perfect. Let's keep shunting. Alright. Sorry, Skarloey. Later, the workmen ran up to the two engines. We need Skarloey to help Peter Sam. His valve gear jammed at Lakeside and there's no one else to take his train. But what about Ivo Hugh? He'll have to manage on his own for a while. You think that's something you can do, Ivo? Yeah. I can handle it. Okay, well, I'll be back. Good luck. And Skarloey left. Ivo Hugh managed just fine for a while. He was raiding trains in a timely manner and caught the attention of passing engines. Even Duncan was impressed. Ivo Hugh was proud, but it wasn't going to last. The foreman came to Ivo Hugh with a request. We need to move those coal cars for Mighty Mac's train coming soon, so just find another siding to move them. Yes, sir. And Ivo Hugh did as he was told. He shunted the coal cars onto a different line. Later, Mighty Mac's whistles could be heard. The foreman ran out in a panic. Ivo, what have you done? You shunted the coal cars onto the main line! Ivo felt a wave of instant regret. Mighty Mac came rolling down the line. They saw the coal cars, but it was too late. They smashed into the coal cars in an epic fashion. Ivo Hugh hid, hoping the boxcars would keep him hidden. But he couldn't stay hidden from the thin controller.
Ivo Hugh, I cannot tolerate incompetence on my railway. Mighty Mac will now have to go to the works and there's a vacancy in the roster.
I'm sorry, sir.
You will have to cover Mighty Mac's trains until they can come back to work. Maybe working more with Natalie will do you good.